This is brought to you by epremy.com.
Multiple choice of questions in Morphology of Flowering Plants.
Question number 1. Root cap has no role in absorption of water because it has option A. Cells arranged loosely, option B. No cells containing chloroplast, option C. No root hair, option D. No direct connection with the vascular system. The answer is option C. No root hair. Question number 2. Roots developed from parts of the plant other than radicle are called option A. Tap roots, option B. Fibrous roots, option C. Adventitious roots, option D. All of them. The answer is option B. Fibrous roots. Question number 3. Potato is a major staple underground plant product. It is a modification of option A. Root and is called tuber, option B. Stem and is called tuber, option C. Leaf and is called corm, option D. None of these. The answer is option B. Stem and is called tuber. Question number 4. In Alocasia and Canna, vertical rhizome is found. It is also called option A. Root packet, option B. Root cap, option C. Root stalk, option D. Uneven stalk. The answer is option C. Root stalk. Question number 5. A plant which is represented by only root, it means root performs the function of assimilation and reproduction, and the plant is option A. Podostemum, option B. Wolffia, option C. Cascata, option D. Utricularia. The answer is option A. Podostemum. Question number 6. Which of the following is a flowering plant with nodules containing filamentous nitrogen-fixing microorganism? Option A. Casuarina equisetifolia, option B. Crotalaria juncea, option C. Cycas revoluta, option D. Cycer ariatinum. The answer is option B. Crotalaria juncea. Question number 7. Root packets are present in option A. Echeronia, Pistia and Lemna, option B. Pandemus, Pistia and Lemna, option C. Ficus, Pothos and Lemna, option D. Echinoria, Pistia and Pothos. The answer is option A. Echeronia, Pistia and Lemna. Question number 8. Rhizome which grows vertically upwards is option A. Corm, option B. Stolon, option C. Bulbul, option D. Rootstock. The answer is option D. Rootstock. Question number 9. Stem tendril is not present in option A. Passion flower, passiflora, option B. Grapevine, vitis, option C. Groundnut, Arachis hypogea, option D. Lemon, citrus. The answer is option D. Lemon, citrus. Question number 10. Potato and sweet potato, option A. Have edible parts which are homologous organs, option B. Have edible parts which are analogous organs, option C. Have been introduced in India from the same place, option D. Are two species of the same genus. The answer is option B. Have edible parts which are analogous organs.
This is brought to you by epremy.com.
Question number 11. Which of the following is not phylloclade? Option A. Opuntia, option B. Euphorbia, option C. Rhizome, option D. Asparagus. The answer is option D. Asparagus. Question number 12. Phylloclade differ from cladode because of having option A. Single internode, option B. Many internodes, option C. No internode, option D. Thorns. The answer is option B. Many internodes. Question number 13. Reticulate venation in leaves is a characteristic feature of dicot plants. Which of the following monocot plant possesses exceptionally reticulate venation? Option A. Smilax, option B. Alocasia, option C. Dioscorea, option D. All of these. The answer is option D. All of these. Question number 14. The modification of petiole into leaf-like structure is called option A. Phylloclade, for example, Opuntia, option B. Cladode, for example, asparagus, option C. Phyllodes, for example, Australian acacia, Option D, a leaf tendril, for example, Pisum sativum. The answer is option C, phyllodes, for example, Australian acacia. Question number 15. The leafless stem of onion which is produced to bear flower is called option A, thalamus, option B, scap, option C, torus, option D, pedicel. The answer is option B, scap. Question number 16. Venation is a term used to describe the pattern of arrangement of option A, floral organs, option B, flower and inflorescence, option C, veins and veinlets in a lamina, option D, all of them. The answer is option C, veins and veinlets in a lamina. Question number 17. A small aquatic herb in which a portion of leaf forms a tiny sac or bladder which traps water insects is option A, Dionaea, option B, Utricularia, option C, Drosera, option D, Sarracenia. The answer is option B, Utricularia. Question number 18. In which of the following plants stem performs the function of storage and perennation? Option A, sweet potato, option B, dahlia, option C, onion, option D, turmeric. The answer is option D, turmeric. Question number 19. Cabbage Brassica oleracea, where capitata is the option A, largest flower, option B, largest fruit, option C, largest bud, option D, largest ovule. The answer is option C, largest bud. Question number 20. What type of placentation is seen in sweet pea? Option A, basal, option B, axil, option C, free central, option D, marginal. The answer is option D, marginal.
This is brought to you by epremy.com.